นนี้คือ professional นะคะลูก This is how we make the coconut milk from scratch. So this is a kitchen in our one of our family member. So we prepare the food for the guests coming. So everyone making fresh coconut milk from scratch. You need a strong woman doing this. So we have a garlic peeling here. So we have and then we'll have another coconut section here. It's almost done. Look at that, beautiful. So everything from scratch.
ถ้าเป็ดไม่ได้โคตรทำมาพวกแล้วคูดเลยแนวมาหนึ่งด้วยอย่าอุ้ยจังพูดในน้ำมันก็ได้
So we're preparing coconuts. So later on, we're going to make the red curry. This is very professional here.
มึงโดนน้องกู